Hi guys, my name is Justin Jane, and
I'm Jane.
And today it is the 5th of December, and we have kind of made a series like the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th of December. Go watch those first and then come back to this because we are opening some more gifts right here. So this one is mine, says Jaros, and mine, Jane. I kind of feel like that's a Rubik's Cube, but
No.
it's for Jane, so probably not. So should we get opening? All right. There we go. I'll open this.
Why is it so hard? It is a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, I was right. Wait. Oh, that's cool. It is a Rubik's Cube. I was right. Oh, what is this? What is this?
What?
Kids' jokes. Ooh, I like jokes. I like jokes. Can I open mine first? All right, let's open mine first. Let's get some jokes.
This is a Rubik's Cube.
Here's some Christmas jokes. Finally. Okay, there we go. Okay, wait. No. Wait. Sit there. All right, sit. Where? How do I open this? So we have opened up the cards, and now
This one will be fun.
I will give Jane something. What do you do when an astronaut's wife is upset? Something funny. What do you do when an astronaut's wife is upset? Give her some space. Get it? Space.
Oh.
Okay, next one. Let's see. What do elves learn in school? Oh my god. No. The alphabet.
Alphabet. Oh my
Okay.
goodness.
Next one. What do you call a funny mountain? These are really funny. These are really funny. Hilarious. What do you call a funny mountain? Hilarious.
Hill areas.
Yeah, because it's a hill. All right, so yeah, that's. Oh, let's do this one. This last one. What do you call a dinosaur that is sleeping? What do you call a
What?
No, a dino snore.
A dinosaur?
All right.
Can
So
I do this?
yeah, let's open the Rubik's Cube now.
Wait,
Where do I put
scissors.
this? I'll just put this back.
I need scissors. I don't know how to do this.
Oh, I love Rubik's Cubes. They're so nice.
But now that's mine.
Do you know how to use a Rubik's Cube? No. Yeah, that's what I thought.
No. Wait. That's mine. That's mine. That's
Wait.
mine.
Can I just like turn this?
No.
Wait.
No.
Look. Wait. Let me show you something. All right. You see this? Wait. That. Boom. Solved. I'm gonna mix it up. Boom. Boom. It's all mixed up, and you don't know how to do it. And then boom. Wait. No.
That is my present.
Here we go. Boom.
That is my present.
Okay, sorry. Here you go. Wow. Hey, show it to them. Okay, I got really scared. I was gonna break it first. Oh, you got it.
Wait, can I turn in the middle?
Yeah. Just turn it here. Like that. Let's turn it there.
Wait, can I turn it?
Oh yeah, and then you can just What? Watch out. Careful, don't break it. It's kind of hard because. Wait, there we go. And then.
Wait, I'm trying.
And then you turn it like that, and she's done it. She has finished the Rubik's Cube. So now, Jane, should we try and mix it all up and then do it again?
Wait.
Should we? Are you sure? What are you doing? All right then.
Oh, this is
This is not that hard. Boom and then boom.
okay. Wait. That was not mixed up.
No, Jane. That would be really hard. Jane, do you like your gift?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
Done. You solved the Rubik's Cube.
This is pretty fun.
I actually guessed it was a Rubik's Cube first because of the case.
Yeah.
And I got it right.
It's like a cube.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
I know that was a really short video. If you guys like this video, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give me a huge thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.